Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional on a daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 28th March 2024. And our topic today na Christianity dey personal. Our memory verse dey for Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5. Before I put you for your mama belle, I don know you and I may choose you. I select you before they even born you. Yes, I don choose you as my prophet, and you go carry my message go everywhere. Our Bible reading dey for John chapter 10 verse 3 to 4, and e talk say, the gate man go open the door for am, and his sheep go hear him voice when he call their name, and he go lead them come out. When he don bring all of his sheep come out, him go their front, and the sheep go follow am because they know him voice. Now the message. Anytime wey God wan talk to plenty people, e no matter how they plenty reach, na one by one he go talk to them. Dem write Revelation chapter 3 verse 20 for one whole church, but e talk say, if any man. John chapter 3 verse 16 talk say, Baba God love this world, na him make when he give him only favorite pikin. He say anybody will come this world one by one. Genesis chapter 25 verse 21 to 26 talk am well say, even if na twins person born, dem dey come out one by one from their mama belle. Even though na CS dem use take born the twins, na one by one doctor go bring dem come out. Romans chapter 14 verse 12 talk say, all of us go talk how we take live our life give Baba God one by one. The messages dem when you dey read or hear for this open heaven, no be everybody get am o, na for you alone. If David wan talk about something wey dey serious, he dey always dey personalize am. For Psalm chapter 23 verse 1, he talk say, God na my shepherd. Anytime wey church wan close, the members go dey talk say, surely goodness and mercy go follow us all the days of our life, and we go dey stay for God house forever. I dey always dey wonder where dem see that one o, because e no dey for my Bible. Wetin dem write na, surely goodness and mercy go follow me all the days of my life, and I go dey stay for my God's house forever. Na for Psalm chapter 23 verse 6 we go see this one. Goodness and mercy no be for us, na for me. The result to stay for my papa house na for me, no be for us. For Psalm chapter 27 verse 8, David talk say, the time when you talk say, look for me, my heart answer you say, na your face I go dey look o. I no know wetin other people dey think, how far they wan go for God, and how hungry and thirsty they dey for God. Me, I no feel hungry and taste for God because of them. No allow another person lack of hunger for God affect you. Even though this person na your pastor, your waka with God na personal waka o. If you meet God face to face for judgment day, na by yourself you go talk wetin you do for this life. So if you see person wey no take a Christian life serious, no even allow am bother you, because Christianity na personal matter im be. See God face and make you encourage other people make dem seek him face too, but no let their attitude about God make e affect you. The thing wey make we think for today message be say, Christianity dey personal patapata. No allow anybody character affect your personal waka with God o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o, till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye. Consecrate.